Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to create Copilot account. So if you also want to create Copilot account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch upon Copilot application. You can download the Microsoft Copilot application from Play Store and App Store. Wait for the application to load. Once the application is open, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to sign into your account. You'll also be able to create your account. Over here, you can see two options, next and login. Simply tap on the option login that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can create an account or sign into your account. Right over here at the bottom of your screen, you'll be able to find the option for continue with Microsoft. Simply tap on it. Now you'll have to choose an account to continue. Simply tap on the account that you want to use. After that, what you have to do is tap on the continue option that you can see right over here. Or if you want to sign in with another account, you can tap on that option as well. Now you can see over here, you'll have to enter the password. Simply tap right over here. Now enter your password. After you enter the password, all you have to do is tap on the sign in option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll have to select the birth date and country or region. Simply select birth date. First of all, tap on the month option. Select the month. Now select the day. Now also select the year. Simply type in the year. After that, also select the country or region. Simply tap on this option that you can see right over here. Now from here, you'll be able to select the country or region. Simply tap on the country of your choice. After that, what you have to do is tap on the next option that you can see right over here. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll have to confirm your age. Tap on the next option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here your Copilot account will be created. So that is how you create Copilot account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.